The authentic replacement filter for the Sequoia Air Purifier is a game-changer when it comes to air purification. With its efficient multi-layer filtration system, it effectively removes airborne particles like dust, pollen, pet dander, and odors. The activated carbon filter goes the extra mile by neutralizing pet and kitchen odors, pollution, toxins, and other unpleasant smells. But the real star of the show is the certified HEPA filter. This powerhouse is capable of capturing particles as small as 0.3 microns, ensuring that bacteria, germs, and even some viruses are eliminated from your indoor air. And the best part, this filter is designed to fit similar tower air purifier models, making it a versatile and compatible option for those looking to upgrade their air purification system. Say goodbye to indoor air pollutants and hello to fresh, clean air with the authentic replacement filter.